Hi, this is Keel's Garage. Welcome back, gearheads. Today, I'm thrilled to unveil the ultimate showdown, the world's top 5 best intake manifold for Chevy 350 engines. Get ready for an exhilarating ride through performance, power, and precision. So, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment for more updates. Let's dive in. Number 1. fgjqefg Intake Manifold Dual Plane, engineered for optimal performance with SBC small block engines. Crafted with precision, this manifold ensures efficient fuel delivery and airflow, enhancing your engine's power and torque. Its dual-plane design maximizes low-end torque while maintaining high-end horsepower, ideal for street and strip applications. With durable construction and easy installation, it's a must-have upgrade for any small block enthusiast. Elevate your engine's performance with the fgjqefg Intake Manifold Dual Plane. Number 2. Assault Racing's SBC Chevy High-Rise Aluminum Intake Manifold. Crafted for peak performance, this manifold delivers power where it counts. Its high-rise design optimizes airflow, enhancing engine efficiency and throttle response. Built from durable aluminum, it ensures longevity and reliability under intense driving conditions. Whether you're hitting the track or cruising the streets, this manifold maximizes your small block Chevy's potential. Upgrade your engine's capabilities with Assault Racing's precision-engineered intake manifold. Unlock the full power of your ride today. Number 3. N/D Aluminum Small Block Chevy SBC Intake Manifold Vortec Dual Plane. Crafted for performance enthusiasts, this intake manifold is engineered to optimize airflow for small block Chevy engines. Its dual-plane design enhances low-end torque while maintaining high RPM horsepower, perfect for street and strip applications. Made from high-quality aluminum, it's durable and lightweight, ensuring longevity and improved engine efficiency. Upgrade your Chevy's performance with the N/D Aluminum Intake Manifold and experience power like never before. Number 4. Pateyne SBC Small Block Chevy Aluminum Performer Dual Plane RPM Intake Manifold. Crafted for peak performance, this aluminum masterpiece enhances airflow for your small block Chevy engine, optimizing power delivery across the RPM range. Its dual-plane design ensures balanced distribution of fuel and air, maximizing torque and horsepower. Precision-engineered for durability and efficiency, it's the go-to choice for performance enthusiasts seeking an edge on the track or the street. Upgrade your engine's potential with the Pateyne SBC Intake Manifold, power unleashed, performance redefined. Number 5. A Premium Engine Aluminum Single Plane High-Rise Aluminum Intake Manifold Compatible, designed for peak performance and durability. Crafted from high-quality aluminum, this intake manifold ensures optimal airflow for your engine, boosting horsepower and torque. Its single-plane design enhances throttle response, while the high-rise construction maximizes air volume for improved engine efficiency. Compatible with a range of engines, this manifold is a perfect fit for enthusiasts seeking unmatched performance. Upgrade your ride with the A Premium Intake Manifold and experience power like never before. In conclusion, selecting the best intake manifold for your Chevy 350 depends on various factors like performance goals, budget, and engine setup. Whether it's the Edelbrock Performer RPM or the Wien Stealth, each option offers unique benefits. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share for more informative videos and updates.